Hi, I am Tarun from Anil Nair classes. Today I would like to demonstrate the product demonstration of Anil Nair's product. So once you have purchased the product, you will come to anilnairclasses.com website, India's #1 aptitude trainer Mr. Anil Nair. So if I click on login, you will be able to see Anil Nair's classes product page where all the products are listed down at the bottom. And you can click on login as you have bought the product, you have the login credentials. So I'm giving my login ID and password. So I gave my login ID and password. Here you can verify your email ID later. You can click it, remind me later. There are various programs that are available at Anil Nair classes. So let's assume that you have purchased MBA Prep Package program. So I'm clicking on that program. Once I click on that program, you'll be able to see various subjects here. Modern maths, algebra, arithmetic, so on, so on. Let me select one subject, maybe arithmetic. If I select on arithmetic, you'll be able to see various chapters in arithmetics. Percentages and applications, partnership, adding a pure solution to a mixture, time, speed, distance. Let's assume I have selected a chapter. Once I click on the chapter, every chapter is again divided into various subtopics here. So you can select whichever subtopic that you wish to open and go through the content. If I click on time, speed and distance, this subtopic is again divided into various number of subdomain videos. So there are various number of videos. You can see huge 48 subtopics on time, speed and distance. So let me open any one video for you. Once I open this video, you will be able to see the entire video of Anil Nair classes on speed increases, time decreases model concept. So you can be able to see the entire video here like this. So you can study at your own convenience. If you wish to forward, you can forward. If you want to rewind, you can rewind. The entire concept goes on. So at any given point of time, you can pause the video, and on the right hand side you can see there is a suggestions option here. So this suggestion is similar to YouTube. If you are watching one video, the suggested videos will come on the right hand side. After completing this video, if you would like to go to the continuation of the next concept, you can do it on the suggestions part. So this is how the entire video structure continues. Let me go back. So I'm going back. I'm back to MBA Prep Package. In arithmetic, I'm in a chapter called time, speed and distance. So now in this chapter, after going through the concepts, there is also tests available for all the concepts. If I click on tests, you'll be able to see various number of tests available for the concepts. So you can see there are almost 30 tests available on these concepts. So if I click on any test, you will be able to see it's a 20 marks, score is 20, average time is 0.12 hours. So if I click on take this test, it's a 30 mark question and 20 minutes is the time. Take this test, I've read the instructions, proceed. You'll be able to see a question. I can select the option, save and next. So you can select an option, click on save and next. If you want to skip, you can mark for review. If you want to clear response and change the option, you can click on clear response. Similarly, I am selecting the options and proceeding. So after completing the test, you can also see there is a time running. After completing the test, you can click on submit test. It will show you what all you have done. Total 10 questions, answered 3, not answered 1, mark for review 1, not listed 5. Still would you like to submit? Yes. So instantaneously I'll get my result here also. My score is -3 out of 30 marks. What is the number of correct, partial correct, incorrect, left, all this data I can be able to see here. I'll be able to see the peer students who have written this test and what is their score also I'll be able to see. There are huge number of students across India who will be taking this Anil Nair's product and will be taking this test. So it will help you to understand where you're standing among other students. So if I click on your answers, you'll be able to see the question view and you'll be able to see what is the correct answer and the answer that you have given, you'll be able to see that as well. So if I click on result sheet, here you'll be able to see the result among other students. So this is how the testing mechanism runs Anil Nair's portal. So let me come back to MBA prep package, and we were in arithmetic and we were discussing a chapter on time, speed and distance. We have covered modules, the video part in that chapter. Now we have also covered tests in that chapter. Let us go to ebooks. So what all Anil Nair sir teaches in a classroom, we have copyrighted that in the form of ebook. So similar classroom explanation, we have brought it down in the form of a ebook. So the entire lecture goes in the form of the student who wishes to read more notes. The entire notes is also available in the form of a ebook. You can see concept wise, similarly what all it teaches in a classroom, similar content is copied in the form of a ebook. This is how the ebook notes goes on. There is huge data available for you with thousands and thousands of questions and solutions and shortcut methods. More importantly, it's shortcut methods. It's not a regular training class kind of a notes. It's a shortcut methodology which will help students to get good scores in their CAT and bank POs and other competitive exams. That's how Anil Nair has taught his lessons so far. And you'll be able to see, go back again. So we have covered modules, tests, ebooks, videos. Now I'll be showing you one of the most interesting features, Doubt Forum. At any given point of time, if you have a doubt, you can just click on Ask a Doubt, write your topic, what is the doubt that you have. You can write the entire detail of the doubt. You can even add an image if you want to take a snapshot and add doubt. Tag it to a subject and a topic and post your doubt. This doubt would be viewed by all your peer students, and a peer student can answer this doubt, and the student that who answers the doubt would be analyzed by Anil Nair's team and reverted back to you. So that's how the doubt forum mechanism works. You can also able to see analytics here. So what all tests I have given so far, all the data will be stored here. So what all tests I have given, what is my score and what is the highest score in that test, what is the other students have scored in that test, all the data will be recorded here in the form of analytics. This is all about Anil Nair's product, how to use it. So I hope you enjoy Anil Nair classes product and do best in your future competitive exams. Thank you.